All right, this says use the given information to write a polynomial function. Okay, what you need to write the polynomial is, in these cases, we give you the roots, 1 root, 2 root, 0 root, or the zeros. And then we need 1 point on the graph. This way we can tell it's a scale. That way we know it's not like this versus like this. You know, we need to know how steep is this thing. All right, and we're basically going to use the graph, the idea that the equation we're going to use is going to be basically y equals a. That's my scale factor. X minus my roots. I'll put an r there for root, x minus root, however many there are. Okay? So for number 24, I've got to write a little bit small. So I've got a root at -4. I got a root at -4. I got a root at 1, and I got a root at 3. So I've got y equals a. X, remember these are factors, so I got to make it a +4. Because remember when we set it equal to 0, we get x equals -4. That's how we get the root. So basically flip your signs, essentially, is what happens. So I got that. I got a +1, so I'm going to go x minus 1. And I got a +3, so I go x minus 3. So that's my base equation. Now what I need to do is find my a. What I need to find my a is I need one random point on the graph, but not a root. So like this one right up here, -1, 3. Plug that in for x and y. So if I go y is 3 equals a instead of an x, I'm going to put a -1 plus 4. Oh, -1 minus 1 and a -1 minus 3. Okay, so I just plugged in my random point, and now I can solve for a. So that's 3 equals a. -1 times 4 is +4 is 3. -1 minus 1 is -2. -1 minus 3 is -4. So that's 3 equals 2 times 4 is +8. 8 times 3 is 24. Divide by 24, so a equals 3/24, which is 1/8. So I got my a value. So finally, we're going to write the equation. Just write this, but put the a value in there. So your answer is y equals 1/8, x plus 4, x minus 1, x minus 3. That's your answer. Part B is the same thing, except they don't give you a graph, we give you the actual points. These are your roots. The ones with zeros in front of them are your roots. Oh, actually, these are all flipped. These should be -3, 0, 4, 0, and 2, 0. Oops. Whatever, those are your roots. They're just typed wrong. So let's do this. So we got y equals a, x plus 3, x minus 4, and x minus 2. And then I got the point 124, so we'll plug that in. 24 is y, so 24 equals a, 1 plus 3, 1 minus 4, 1 minus 2. So I've got 24 equals a times 4 times 3 times -1. Actually, it's a -3. 24 equals a. 4 times 3 is 12. -12 times -1 is +12. 24 divided by 12 is 2. A is 2 in this case. All right, this part is all just, once you get to this point, it's just crunching numbers. You can do that. So since a is 2, I can rewrite my equation. Y equals 2, x plus 3, x minus 4, x minus 2. And that's your answer. Cool.